On April 16, 2011, meteorologist and Red Cross weather liaison Scott Cravens and I participated in tracking and reporting one of the worst tornado outbreaks in North Carolina state history. The following video is not nearly the awesome tornado videos that normally float around the internet, so feel free to quit viewing now if you're expecting a twister. The content of this video is rather a documentation of events that unfolded during the Raleigh area tornado from our perspective, as well as a reflection of the commendable role the Central Carolina Skywarn Network played in providing the National Weather Service and media outlets important information during the severe weather event. All right.
We're still not in a good spot. Maybe I should go the other way.
Yeah.
We're right in this freaking path.
East? Just a little bit?
I guess, because it was looking like...
Yeah,
turn around.
Yeah. That has to be a tornado on the ground.
Yep. Oh boy. If that sucker keeps heading northeast, we are going to chase it right up one, right into Raleigh.
Halos to protect your body from flying debris. Avoid windows if in a vehicle or outdoors. Move to the closest substantial building.
God, this is the second time they've ever issued a tornado emergency.
WX4NC with Central Carolina Skywarn standing by for spotter reports of criteria severe weather.
Tracy, they have just issued a tornado emergency for Raleigh. Please put something out. Thank you. Look here.
Oh my God, look at that hook.
Yes.
Look at that hook.
This is, dude. This is the tornado.
Right there?
Yeah. Right here should be the tornado in the hook. And that, look, see this? Lines up perfect. Look here.
Holy moly. That's Raleigh.
Oh man.
This is...
Okay, so what we need to do, if we go this way and it starts curving that way, we're kind of in a safe point, but I'd like to go a little further.
Okay.
We have lost all power also out in the community of South Lake off of Highway 55.
I ain't never had anything like this.
No.
This is smooth.
As far as I can
Oh my God, look at this lightning.
no power whatsoever. And
Kudos to the weather service.
Yeah.
you know, when
Everybody thought it was going to be nothing.
They can let me know that too.
It was looking like nothing earlier. It's going to be coming from that way. Hey.
That's all the lightning you're seeing
Okay,
wrapping around.
Raleigh just got issued a tornado emergency. A tornado emergency. That means that a tornado is on the ground and heading towards Raleigh.
Just want to give you an update. I'm on the phone with my parents in Holly Springs. They're sheltered out in the closet at this time.
Holly Springs.
Holly Springs?
I'm trying to get further what's going on out there.
Hail.
See, that's why we're getting real dark. All this is coming in us. Tornado should be right in here.
WX4NC.
Oh God, I hope we get a view of this.
Airport MMT,
Yes, affirmative. That is currently falling. Some of it's a little bigger than that, but generally it's about a quarter inch.
What's the largest you're observing?
Largest I did is
Just
about
slow down the loop.
The largest half inch.
It looks to be construction type material coming out of the air, landing
Holy
in this area.
Look at that. Man, that is freaking impressive.
I've never seen anything that impressive.
See with Central Carolina Skywarn at 3:34 p.m. National Weather Service issued this severe weather statement. A tornado warning remains in effect until 4:15 for Granville and Vance County.
Holly
To indicate
Springs?
a A tornado
Yeah.
located near
Perfect
Hollis
spot.
Springs, moving
Okay.
northeast at 70 miles per
But
hour.
I'm kind of thinking we should head up
Locations
one.
after this tornado include Hollis
That's the
Springs,
problem around here. They're so
Wheeler, and
rain
Raleigh.
wrapped.
Yeah, I know.
Tornado
Can't-
emergency. Act now
You
to
gotta
protect
be
your life.
freaking under them
Move
to
to an
see it.
interior room.
That rain's moving too. Woo.
Sturdy building. Use blankets or pillow cover.
It's curling all
This
the
is
way up.
WX4NC with Central Carolina Skyward.
That's right into Raleigh.
WX4NC, NC4JH,
Watch this
65 in Apex at US 64.
Central
Look at that tree.
Franklin counties. Once again, a tornado warning has been
Look
issued
at the
for
horizontal
northeastern
rain.
Wake,
Yeah, I know.
Central Nash, and Franklin counties, effective until 4:15 p.m.
Look at that hell.
Look at it.
It's going this way now. Winds are going this way.
4JH, I gave my last report to Virginia. We had building materials falling out of the area at Lawrence in US 64. Right around 55 crossing in US 64.
Love it. Holy shit. Woo! Look at this go.
Here's the thing that we noticed several instances of construction material and installation along the highway.
Dude, look.
Windows outside.
Let me back into it.
East of 55 to west of 55.
I don't want my windshield broken.
Winds are changing now. Winds are going this way.
John, please that report, NC4 WX4MM. Any other reports, call net control WX4MM.
Okay, she is headed right to Raleigh. But we don't want in it, we want behind it.
Yeah, we won't. Oh my god, look at that. That's at least quarter size hill.
Yeah. Centering the belt line now.
Centering the belt line now?
Centering the belt line now.
That should be like right over there.
No.
My location is on the belt line heading south at exit 16. Again, the belt line heading south at exit 16. We are observing multiple power flashes looking south.
Looking south.
There's your board.
So what?
I believe exit 16 takes you from 440 onto 40.
Uh-huh.
That's the belt line on exit 16 onto 40.
Yeah, they can see it on the tower cam on the news.
Go ahead. Hey Bob, this is N4ND. On Salisbury Street heading away from downtown, there is a power pole laying in the middle of the road. Cars are in lots of construction debris as well. Construction limbs and everything else is
Salisbury Street, you said?
we witnessed a power pole. There's limbs all in the road. You need to get this report is quick.
Downtown?
Yep. Salisbury Street, downtown.
Okay, that's N4AD.
We're going to go up there.
N4ND is Richard's office.
Yeah, we'll
It's
intercept.
already going.
Okay,
Okay.
appreciate that. Go ahead,
This is the inflow going into it.
WX4MM, KG4IBD. I'm at approximately at the corner of Cherry Blossom and Beemon Way. That's BEEHNON Way. Sorry if that was fast. Near Tryon
Holy
Road and Lake Wheeler. And I've got multiple trees down, 2-foot diameter, pines look like they're snapped at the base.
I'd say we have a long-lived tornado, dude.
Yeah, definitely.
Started in Lee County.
Okay.
Yep, long track.
The road is Beanon Way, Bravo Hotel, Echo, November,
Turn your lights
Oscar,
on,
November.
dude.
And you can have my address, inquiry.
I can't even confirm.
Okay, we can see your drive road and let you know.
That's my server, man.
Yes, about a mile west of that, maybe 3/4 of a mile. Also, I have no power to get you 4IDD.
That is definitely old.
Okay,
I'm reloading it.
Hey Bob, it's N4ND again. We're over here on South Saunders Street. There's major building damage, debris in the road.
Major building?
What?
I'm talking about major damage.
Oh my god.
I'm not doing this because of damage. I'm doing this because we were in the same place.
Yeah.
We got out of its
Structural
way.
damage.
We got out of the way,
buildings
yeah.
are pretty much in ruins. I mean, there's construction debris on South Saunders Street over near the fish market, Earp's Fish Market.
Holy shit.
We have a touchdown and it's still
Yeah.
heading northeast.
Still
Saunders Street, is the intersection
God, is this this better? I hope it's not heading towards Nightdale.
Maybe.
Because South Saunders Street's like down this way.
Break.
Technical hit. Bob, is there any way to get assistance over here? There is major power lines down. People are trapped within the power lines.
Oh my God.
I don't know if you can call 911 for me. I got up on tower this time.
I didn't copy.
Okay.
All right, there's tornado reports coming up.
If I can get my phone to work.
All right, here's the hook right here. Here's the hook.
Yep. Is that live?
So, yeah, this is just updated 3:54.
Great. I know they're overwhelmed, but I'm gonna call them anyway.
Woo! Awesome.
Thank God for new tires.
All right, tornado report. What is it? Debris falling north Raleigh from large tornado on the ground. Large tornado on the ground.
Can you believe I got a busy signal 911?
Oh my God.
That's bad.
Large tornado on the ground. 911 call. Holy crap.
911, a busy signal.
Yeah, oh yeah. 911's busy.
All right, listen.
Holy crap, Yeah.
Waiting on the next one
Uh-huh.
and checking all this out.
Oh my God, okay. You wanna do that?
Yep. I do. Don't care.
No, I don't care.
I mean, we get up there.
Oh my, yeah.
Unless I saw a funnel, man, I'd be angry.
Yeah.
It's up there for sure. What's it look like on there?
Let me.
It's going to be across Skycrest.
Trevor Grove and Skycrest is just right there.
Okay, any other damage?
Nothing I can see. I can't get any further.
Look over here, look over here.
Oh, man.
Trying to keep
Yep,
my
look here.
Get out of here right now.
Yeah.
Definitely play it safe. And what was the time of that you noticed the damage?
Oh my God.
Just when I call.
You want me to call the Skywarn?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, got it. Thank you very much.
NC4VA cameras, yeah.
Look, this got hit bad. Look at this.
Good God.
Oh my goodness. Woo! Look at it.
Go ahead,
Wrapped around this crap.
go ahead.
Definitely went through here.
This is WX4NC with Central Carolina Skywarn. At 4:08 p.m., the National
Look at
Weather
that! Look at that
Service
van.
issued a special severe weather statement. Tornado warning remains in effect for northwestern Sampson.
He's
East 50
like
miles
her
per
out
hour.
there.
This is a tornado emergency for Mendon and Godwin. This is a dangerous and life-threatening situation.
Here, look at the water.
Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home vehicle or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter. No shelters available. Lie down in a low-lying area. Protect yourself from flying debris.
Look at this truck, dude.
Oh my goodness.
This is downtown Raleigh.
Yeah, I know. This is. Oh my God.
Look here. That's incredible.